Did you know which bird holds the record for the longest non-stop migration crossing oceans without a single sleep break? The bar-tailed Godwit, a shorebird, flies over 7,000 miles non-stop from Alaska to New Zealand, weathering storms and fatigue. It fattens up with energy reserves, sheds non-essential weight, and rides warm thermals while steering by winds and the planet's magnetic cues. Experts say the crossing can take 8 to 9 days of relentless flight, with no rest and no meals, just momentum. Follow for more astonishing animal feats and the wild stories behind nature's most jaw-dropping journeys.